Dear student, good morning to all of you. Today we discuss here the next topic of same unit. It is called as what here? Polymers. Today we discuss how to prepare the different types of polymer. It is called as the special question asked in examination. Write a short note on the preparation of bakelite or Navalec. It's both are polymers. These two polymers, bakelite as well as Navalec, are the example of thermosetting polymer. What is the thermosetting polymer? Those polymer which does not cool when heated and does not soft when we cool. Clear? So it is called a thermosetting polymer. So today we discuss how to prepare these types of polymer called as the Navalec or bakelite. Clear? और क्वेश्चन आता है आपको राइट स्ट्रक्चर, राइट ओनली स्ट्रक्चर 1 मार्क्स, राइट ओनली स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ bakelite और Navalec. Clear? So today we discuss these types of polymers. Clear? Now we take the question phenol formaldehyde polymer. It means the bakelite, Navalec, or third example is melamine, melamine formaldehyde. These three, melamine, bakelite, Navalec, it is an example of phenol formaldehyde polymers. Why? Because when we prepared Navalec, bakelite or melamine, these three types of a polymer which prepared by monomer of phenol and formaldehyde. Phenol and formaldehyde. That's why it is called as the phenol formaldehyde polymers. Clear? क्वेश्चन सीटी में आएगा आपको, ये एमसीक्यू बनेगा. Which monomer are used in the preparation of bakelite or Navalec? So the phenol formaldehyde, it is a monomer which is prepared a bakelite or Navalec. Clear? Okay. Now we check the how to prepare a bakelite. Bakelite, it is an example of thermosetting polymer and prepared by two monomer. One is called as phenol, benzene attached to OH called as phenol, and formaldehyde CH2O or SCHO. CH2O or HCHO, it is an what structure of or the formula of formaldehyde. Clear? So when the phenol, 3 molecule of phenol, with excess molecule of phenol, 3 molecule of phenol is react with 6 molecule of formaldehyde. These two monomer are used to prepare the first Navalec. Now, how to prepare the bakelite? So, bakelite prepared into 3 steps. How many steps? 3 steps. In the first step first, the when a phenol is react with the formaldehyde, 3 molecule of phenol is react with a 6 molecule of formaldehyde to form a different types of what? Different types of structure. Different types of structure in which we attach each structure of phenol attached to a 1 molecule of formaldehyde. Clear? Now we take the phenol, 1 molecule of phenol. Remaining how many molecules we take phenol? 3 molecules. Now first reaction take place on the 1 molecule of phenol and 1 molecule of formaldehyde. So phenol structure benzene attached to OH. Now we added a 1 CHO or called as what here? SCHO, formaldehyde on carbon number which here? Carbon number first. So we take the carbon number first CH2. Here also have the hydrogen. Clear? So this hydrogen, as it is only we added 1 molecule of CH2. So we take the CH2O and H. What we get? CH2OH. पहले रिएक्शन में हमने एक मॉलिक्यूल लिया फिनॉल का, उसको रिएक्ट किया एक मॉलिक्यूल का फॉर्मल्डिहाइड से. तो फॉर्मल्डिहाइड का अपेंडिक्स करें अपने कार्बन नंबर फर्स्ट पर. आपको पता है कि बेंजीन्स have each carbon contain hydrogen. So H is as it is, only we added a CH2O called as the formaldehyde on the carbon number first. So CH2O remaining H and which have the same carbon. So we get a benzene OH CH2OH. CH2OH. Clear? It's one molecule. Now we take a second molecule of phenol. Remaining how many molecule? 2 molecule. We take how many? 3 molecule. हमने 3 मॉलिक्यूल लिया बेटा, एक मॉलिक्यूल को रिएक्शंस किया, एक HCH ग्रुप अटैक किया एक कार्बन नंबर फर्स्ट पर. अभी सेकंड कार्बन लेंगे, सेकंड हम क्या लेंगे? फिनॉल मॉलिक्यूल लेंगे. नाउ वी टेक द सेकंड मॉलिक्यूल ऑफ फिनॉल इज रिएक्ट विद द सेकंड मॉलिक्यूल ऑफ और वी रिएक्ट विद द 2 मॉलिक्यूल ऑफ फॉर्मल्डिहाइड. हाउ मेनी मॉलिक्यूल? 2 मॉलिक्यूल. रिमेनिंग 6 से एक गया, 5 बचे और 5 में 2 लिया. So 2 attached to the different position of a second phenol. So we take the structure phenol CH2O carbon number first and CH2OH carbon number third. Clear? Now remaining same here. Remaining how many molecule of CHO? 3 molecule of SCHO formaldehyde and 1 molecule of phenol. So what we get? We get benzene, CH2OH, CH2OH, carbon number first, carbon number fourth, and carbon number 6. This is called as the water. Simple. The reactions of a phenol with a formaldehyde. Let's go first. Now this structure, it means the monomers, one monomers we take here. This monomers. What is monomers? Monomer is a one type of a unit which is repeated to each other. Thousands of monomers are repeated to each other to form the long chain of a higher molecular weight compound called as polymers. So this N indicate what? These N indicate the monomers. It may be these, it may be these, it may be depend upon the structure we take here. So we take the steps taken. N molecule, N means it may be all of. Okay. The N molecule is repeated are how many benzene? 1, 2, 3. Clear? So 3 benzene are repeated to each other here. So they get N molecule of what? Phenol, or N molecule of this product. N means indicate a monomer. These monomers are losses of water molecule. How many monomers prepared? 1, 2, 3. We take the all 3 are in N. N indicate number of monomers or what here? Reactants. So these 3 are will be act as an N. Suppose take it. Okay. Now this repeated to each other, or only we take a single molecule. हमने रिएक्शन में सिर्फ इतना ही स्पेशल कंटेंट ये दोनों कंपाउंड को स्केप आउट कर दिया, सिर्फ इतना मॉलिक्यूल लिया है. ठीक है. सो दिस मॉलिक्यूल आर रिएक्ट क्लियर टू ईच अदर. क्लियर. नाउ वी गेट दिस मॉलिक्यूल आर रिपीटेड बिकॉज द if you prepare any polymer, the monomer are repeated to each other to form the polymers. So this N is repeated. How is it repeated? So one molecule, how many 3? We take 3 molecule. 1, 2, 3. It means these CH2 are act as repeated. This symbol indicate the benzene attached to the CH2, and we get a what straight line of one product, but higher molecular weight. Clear? So N indicate here. Now we get here what? This one molecule. It means if you take this act as what here? If you take N indicate 3 molecules. N indicate 3 molecules. So 3 molecule of phenol. So 1, 2, 3, and this CH2OH. It means one molecule of this. It means this N also will be taken as 3 molecules. How many molecule? 3 molecule. Clear? So 3 molecule of this phenol or this product react with each other to form the loss of water molecule. How the loss of water molecule? This OH, and it also have the second molecule. Clear? Which is the second molecule? This 3 molecule, 1 molecule, 2 molecule, 3 molecule. इसको रिपीट किया आपस में, और एक एक जो कार्बन है, जो रिंग का उसके वाटर मोलिक्यूल को लॉस किया हमने. देखो कैसा बेटा, ये CH2 है यहाँ पे, this OH. ठीक है. This also has the what? H. So this OH, this 1H are lost. These 2 rings are attached to each other to form the what? This. Now third molecule also react. It means the 2 rings are joined together to get 3 molecules. So 1 molecule, 2 molecule. So 2 molecules are joined together, and each molecule has the loss of water molecule. So how many water molecule loss? So 1 molecule is 2 molecule. We get a loss of minus twice H2O molecule. Clear? Okay. So in this way it forms the novelic. What is novelic? It is a thermosetting polymer. Clear? How to prepare? With the help of formaldehyde and what? Phenol. Clear? Step first we get a what? What we get a complex. Now complex are repeated to each other to form the what? Novelic. This N also act as 3 molecules. Clear? Okay. Now in a third step, how to prepare a bakelite with the help of a novelic. Novelic is a compound which contains a phenol as well as formaldehyde. Okay? So this novelic is further react to each other. Structure of novelic. How many molecules? 3 molecules. It is a 4 molecule here. These 4 molecules are joined together by cross-link network, because bakelite is also example of cross-link polymer or network polymer. So these 3 molecules, it means these 3 molecules will be joined together, repeated to each other. We get 3 molecules here. if you prepared a bakelite from Navelec, we take a 4 molecule of this Navelec. Clear? So 4 molecules what here? This benzene added this benzene OH. Clear? Means this two group are same we take here. Two group are same. This two is और remaining two. यानी दो जो compound बेटा ये दो same लिया और वो जो remaining है ये 4 molecule लेके Navelec क्या ना? ये 3 molecule prepared हुए लेकिन हम क्या लेंगे reaction में 4 molecule लेंगे ठीक है? So 4 molecule of Navelec will be joined together network form. This one remaining जो है इसको join करना है in this way. Is 1, 2, 3, 4 and this each phenol are joined by CH2 and these indicate what? These symbol indicate these are repeated to each other because polymer are prepared by thousands of monomer. It is then does not stop reaction. When we added some substrate it will be stop the reaction. ठीक है? तो this is structure of what here? Bakelite. क्वेश्चन आता है एग्जाम में राइट स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ बेकेलाइट और Navelec. आपको बेकेलाइट स्ट्रक्चर ये निकालना है Navelec को ये निकालना है ठीक है. सिंपल रिएक्शन है इसको आपको थोड़ा सा प्रैक्टिस करना पड़ेगा और अंडरस्टैंड करना पड़ेगा ठीक है. ओके अगला क्वेश्चन यूजेस ऑफ अ बेकेलाइट और Navelec. तो बोथ टू दिस Navelec एंड बेकेलाइट आर द एग्जांपल ऑफ थर्मोसेटिंग पॉलीमर और नेटवर्क पॉलीमर ठीक है. देन यूजेस इट इज आल्सो यूज्ड एज सब्स्टिट्यूएंट ऑफ ग्लास. Substituent of glass, then telephone instrument uses of what? Bakelite. Telephone instrument, then electrical insulator and different type of what here? Switch. Any switch of electricity. Clear? It is an all the uses or applications of Bakelite. Clear? Simple reaction है. Okay. Now question second is here. How to prepare a melamine formaldehyde polymer? Because here the formaldehyde or phenol formaldehyde polymer have two types, bakelite or Navelec, and B called as what here? Melamine formaldehyde polymer. Clear? Only here phenol. If a phenol react with a formaldehyde called as the bakelite or Navelec. If the formaldehyde react with a melamine, so it is called as the what? Melamine formaldehyde polymers. Clear? So what is melamine? Melamine is also the example of melamine formaldehyde, also example of thermosetting polymer. Clear? How to prepare so melamine? Structure what? Benzene which have the 3 nitrogen and in each carbon have NH2. And how many NH2? 3 NH2. NH2 this NH2. Benzene have and 3 carbon 3 and 3 nitrogen and each carbon have 3 NH2 group amines. So this is called as melamine. Melamine is a react with the formaldehyde. It is an example of what here? Melamine. It is an example of what here? Formaldehyde. Formaldehyde. It is a what here? Melamine. When a melamine is react with formaldehyde, in this reaction, what we get here? In same reaction, this CH2O is formaldehyde. CH2O formaldehyde or HCHO called as formaldehyde. So CH2 is react with each NH2. What we get? This NH have the hydrogen attached to what here? Attached to what here? This is CH2. It means it is also will be take as what here? CH2O. What we take here? CH2. So this hydrogen attached to what here? Attached to oxygen each. So what we get? We get a ring as it is here NH, this CH2OH. Same here. It means each NH2 contain a 2 hydrogen, 1 hydrogen are added to oxygen of formaldehyde. So what we get? NHCH2OH, NHCH2OH, so on. It means we get the 3 molecule of how many? 3 molecule of CH2. How many molecule? 3 molecule of CH2 of formaldehyde. If you prepare the melamine formaldehyde polymer, only the 1 monomer of a melamine is react with 3 molecule of formaldehyde. We take a 3 molecule of formaldehyde. What formula of formaldehyde? CH2 or SCH. On each hydrogen of a melamine means amines is react with a oxygen of formaldehyde to form what? NCH2H, NHCH2H, NHCH. Okay. Now in this reaction, losses of each CH2OH, each In this compound, the OH are losses. So what we get? We get a simple product. What here? Amines is react NHCH2, NHCH2, NHCH2. It is called what here? Melamine formaldehyde polymers. Clear? What we get? We get here the product here. So what we get here? In these reactions, now we get a structure N, this C, NH, or we take N here N, attached here what? NH, CH2, NH, CH2, or here also NH, CH2, clear? Or here also what here the NHCH2. In this reaction, it means the losses are each NaCH2 OH are lost. How many OH? 3 OH are lost. The remaining part as it is NaCH. It is called what here? Melamine formaldehyde polymers. Clear? So it's all about the preparation of bakelite, nevelate, or melamine formaldehyde polymers. Clear? What is uses of this melamine formaldehyde polymer? It is also used as thermosetting polymer in different types of purposes, like of the preparation of resins, plastic resins, switch, etc. Clear? Simple reaction है, बुक में आपको दिया हुआ है. बुक में रिएक्शन थोड़ी सी डिफिकल्ट दी है आपको. प्रिपरेशन ऑफ बेकेलाइट जो इंस्पेक्टर है, इसमें आपको अच्छे से समझकर उसको लिखना है. ठीक है? एक बार और नहीं समझ में आया तो पूछना है. ठीक है? ओके. सिंपल क्वेश्चन है, हाउ टू प्रिपेयर बेकेलाइट. बेकेलाइट में स्टेप थर्ड है बेटा. इसके फर्स्ट में क्या किया हमने? फिनॉल लिया 3 मॉलिक्यूल, रिएक्ट 6 मॉलिक्यूल ऑफ फॉर्माल्डिहाइड, इसको आपस में रिपीट किया, और ईच मॉलिक्यूल ऑफ फॉर्माल्डिहाइड इज रिएक्ट विद ईच कार्बन ऑफ फिनॉल. वी गेट दिस टाइप्स ऑफ प्रोडक्ट, फर्स्ट, सेकंड, थर्ड. नाउ स्टेप सेकंड में क्या किया हमने? स्टेप सेकंड में फिर ये एक मॉलिक्यूल है N मोनोमर्स इज रिएक्ट विद रिपीटेड टू ईच अदर टू फॉर्म द स्टेट चेन रिंग. Clear? Now this to prepare for what? Nevelate. 3 molecule of nevelate. 3 molecule we take in the preparation of bakelite. 4 molecule of nevelate. We repeat it to each other to form the bakelite structure. And they use this in the preparation of melamine formaldehyde. Melamine react with the 3 molecule of formaldehyde. We take how many molecules? We take here the 3 molecule of formaldehyde. 3 molecule. Each molecule of a formaldehyde is added a hydrogen from the amines. We get structure. Now losses of each molecule of a NH2CH2 by OH, we get a melamine formaldehyde polymer. Clear? Okay, thank you so much.